set the quiet, couldn't scream, but here we are, breaking the dream. We stitched our voices out of air, turned nothingness into a flare. Echoes crash like waves on stone. We're not afraid of being alone. This is the sound of silence, shouting a roaring storm. The world's rerouting. No need for words, just feel the fight. The sound of silence, louder than night. Whispers crack like shattered glass. Each note a future, not the past. We built a bridge from all our pain. Walked on fire, danced in the rain. Hear the hum, it shakes the ground. Silence speaks, it's our new sound. It's the sound of silence.